Hey guys, I got a piece.
I forgot about Giovanni.
Wait. You weren't wrong about that. It actually tastes like the blueberry or the raspberry thingy.
Hell no. Chocolate. You know Harry Potter. No, like without even looking down. Like your glasses resemble him.
One of my friends.
Wait.
He resembles Harry.
Look straight.
He looks like Harry.
Oh my God, wait.
He looks like Harry.
You look so much more different without glasses. You have a tan line. Yeah, he has a little tan line. Look straight.
He looks like Harry from Harry Potter.
One of my friends.
So you look like Harry from Harry Potter.
One of my friends.
Look at
He
this.
has circle glasses.
Oh.
Like circle glasses, and they like that.
Oh, he looks like Rapunzel.
Huh?
He looks like Rapunzel.
That's what my drink.